don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Amina Johari here with another beauty video. I look peasy. But anyway, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay a while, why not? We do beauty content over here and entertainment. So if you're into that, come aboard. If you're not, it's okay, but you should still stay for this one. And yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a high curly wavy-ish ponytail, which I've never done before. Please excuse the sound in the back. Everyone hates me here, so whenever I want to film, they just do whatever. So yeah, if I'm talking with a lisp, also I have my retainers in. So first things first, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't wash my hair. I just took a sew-in out, and I'm gonna wash my hair after I do this. Just 'cause I didn't feel like it made sense to like wash my hair when I'm about to put mad gel in it. Like, I feel like that's stupid. And I'm only gonna probably wear this ponytail like a day, maybe two. So I'm gonna take my raggedy brush, my water, and I've never used this gel on my like to slick my hair, but I'm gonna use this gel for the first time. Hopefully it worked. And yeah, let's get into it. First, let me spray my hair just so it's easier to manipulate. So what I do usually, if I'm gonna do like a high ponytail or bun, y'all see that forehead? God damn! But I usually put like a fake, not a fake, like I just do one loop around, so that way I can really get everything up and then tighten it. I don't think I'm gonna do too many edges, so I'm just gonna comb out a little bit of what I plan on leaving out. Just cause I should have known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. That song's been stuck in my head. What song has been stuck in y'all head? Comment down below whatever song's been stuck in your head. You know what other song been stuck in my head? It's so random. It's a gospel song. For a saint is just a sinner who falls down. And it's just that part that's stuck in my head, y'all. I don't know why it's that part, but it's that part. Oh yes, I'm just taking the gel and I'm slicking my hair over the elbow. Just slicking it. Then I'm gonna take the brush and take the brush. I've never done this either. I've just seen people do this, and I'm gonna just slick it because it's been a while since I've like really slicked up my hair. Like I'm like, do I even know how to do this anymore? I feel like I have a new song stuck in my head like every week. Sometimes it lasts a really long time, sometimes it's months. Like months. Like the gospel song's been stuck in my head for at least a month. But yeah. So now, as you can see, I slick that thing up. And that just made me think of that thing. Have y'all seen that video? Yo, that video is hilarious. Also, let's get into that. Are y'all vaccinated? If you team vaccinated, comment down below. If you team unvaccinated, comment down below. Once you vax that thing up. I want my ponytail to be really high. Like, as some of y'all may know, I used to be a cheerleader, so I'm really big on like high ponytails. I used to love that about cheerleading. High ponytails and bows. If I could wear a bow right now, I freaking would. But I'm old, so a bow in my ponytail would be ridiculous. But you became shady. Love was a game. I guess you play me. You cannot hate me, and I cannot hate you. They just don't get it, cause it only takes two. Now you wanna take two, but my heart like you. Maintain. I'm gonna go get my mirror because I don't know what I look like. You do it like it's your B-Day. That's also my stuck in my head, but whose head is that not stuck in? Alright. So now I'm looking to the side because I'm looking in my mirror. I look mad funny. face it. hate my friend for getting me into Jocelyn's Cabaret. Like, I just didn't want to watch it. But I'm like, why am I watching Jocelyn's Cabaret? No shade to Jocelyn, but it's just like, girl, I just really did not want to watch it. Cause from the clips, I was like, this look a mess. Like, and I'm like, does she really have a cabaret? Like, or is this just a show, you know? And just that's like how I saw she was, I can't freaking speak. But the way I saw, like from the clips that I saw and the way she was talking to them, I'm like, girl, Jocelyn. I don't know if I can watch this, but my friend convinced me to watch it and I finished it in like 2 days. Because it was, girl, that show is a mess, child. A mess. Crazy. All right, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling slick. Y'all see my, everybody's, when I say I have a big forehead, people always like, no, you did. But it's because I dead hide it. Like, I own, not only, but the main reason I do like baby hairs is to like take the mileage off on this thing, yo. Like, it's not even that, it's like big, it's long. I have a really long forehead, but my mama got a long forehead. My grandpa had a long forehead. Like, I got their head. But girl, I really got their head. Like, I've been friends with one of my best friends since 2015, 16? Probably early 6, like beginning of 16. And she never, like one day we were on the phone. This when I got box braids. And I was worried because I'm like, yo, these box braids gonna look crazy on me. Y'all know my forehead be bouncing. So I was like, yo, it's gonna look so bad on me. She was like, your forehead not even that big. But I had my wig on. You know, you bring your wig down a little bit. So I was like, who don't have a big forehead? She was like, but I thought she had seen my forehead like prior to, and she never did. So she was like, oh. I'm like, yeah, oh sis, like, you know, I'm not like insecure about it. I just think it's funny. Cause sometimes I look, I'm like, damn. You see how that takes like a lot off of it, but yeah, now I'm just doing my edges a little bit because I don't really know how I want to do the edges. I don't even know if I really want to do much to them. I think I just want to do a little swoop here, 2 swoops in the front. I don't want to get too crazy. If you watched my other video, I was talking about my edges and how they came out because of a wig install that actually got done. That was actually a frontal. That's the last time I somebody did my frontal, because sometimes these stylists, they don't know what they're doing when it comes to low hairline. Cause it's really not, I don't want to say it's uncommon, but like, I guess it's not that common that they just generally don't know what to do. So yeah, it messed up my edges, and I've been working on growing the back a little better, but I honestly have not been like dedicated to it. Okay, so now that I'm slicked down, I'm gonna take my scarf. So we're gonna tie that real tight. Now I'm gonna just braid it first and see if I want to put that braid in the back. And listen, I did not comb out my hair. I'm a joke, okay?
You say I got a body like a goddess. Why you feeling tension in the silence? Pretty round thing, never modest. It makes no sense to me to hide it. Figure why he wanted. He was all in love when it started. He said he never leave me broken hearted, and then he got.
Take this bundle. This bundle look raggedy. This is last summer's hair, yo. So what I'm gonna do, just freshen her up a little bit, you know? Cause like I said, this ponytail is giving 2 days max. Honestly 3 days max, because I might film another video with it. So that's the real tea. Gonna take a bobby pin. I don't know, I think I'm gonna take the bundle, because it's gonna be like a really quick ponytail. I'm not sure, like I keep saying, I ain't sure how to stay in yet. So So take the ponytail. I'm gonna take this end. I'm gonna put the bobby pin, attach the bobby pin to it. Boom. Then so boom. Now I'm gonna, this is the hard part. Now this is attached, I'm gonna take the hair and just wrap it around the braid.
Let's face it, I wanna be your favorite. I can't be the girl you need. I can prove it if you leave.
Ooh. So I take the bobby pin and I take the hair and I clip it into the braid. Boom. Here we are. Gonna match the track to exactly where I just stopped. Same thing, take the bobby pin, slide that drawing right up in there, and yeah, gonna keep wrapping it now again. Looks like I need another bundle, which I have, but like not even a whole bundle. I don't even know if I have a whole bundle left, because when I had this hair I did like a half up half down thing, so I got like bundles just laying around me. This top bundle, I don't think I ever used it because I'm like, why is the curl pattern so different? But I don't like that. I don't like it, looks too so I didn't even put mousse on it. Maybe that's why I look like this too. So I'm gonna put a little mousse on her. I don't know. Yeah, so this is her. I'm gonna take like a piece of hair. I don't like when people have the big old like chunk of like of hair to cover the track, so I'm just gonna take as thin as possible. I think I'm good with this, and I'm just gonna wrap it around so again it could just cover the track. I don't even think this is like a clear, but that's the thing, I don't really want it to be like boom boom, like super neat. Like, I don't care if it being messy, like that's kind of the point for me. Kind of want a messy big look. Okay, this looks a little nuts. So I'm gonna comb this out. I'll be back. So this is the final look. She's cute or whatever, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for some covers I'm gonna post, some new music I'm gonna post. Things are rolling. I'm back on track, back in the zone, whatever. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Make sure you follow me on everything: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. I appreciate it. See you in my next video.
Boy, I don't know.